Today we are going to start the exercise 3F, in which we have to do some word problem. Let me discuss. Okay, first question. The price of a bike is rupees 45,825 and that of a car is rupees 3,97,899. Which of the two cost more and by how much? First we have to find out which is the greatest number. Greatest number always more than the smaller number. So how to know? You know that first we need to count the number of digits the number is having. So the cost of bike is having 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5, and see the cost of car 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. Definitely the cost of car is more than the cost of bike. Here we have to find the how much more car cost than bike. So we have to know how much more. So that we have to subtract 45,825 from 3,97,899. Are you understand? To get the difference, here we have to subtract the cost. So see the question. The cost of a bike is 45,825 and cost of a car is 3,97,899. Difference between the cost of a car and a bike. So 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7, 8 minus 8 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2, and again 9 minus 4 is 5, and 3 will come as usual because here is no digit. Okay. So we came to know the cost of car is 3,52,074 rupees more than the cost of bike. Now we will read the next question. How much is 88,720 is greater than 79,231? Here we have to find out how much this number is greater than this. This is the greatest number and this is the smaller. So we have to subtract the 79,231 from 88,720. See here the difference. 88,720 minus 79,231. We cannot subtract 1 from 0, so we have borrowed from the tens place and it will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then here is remaining 1. Okay, we have to take 1 from here, so it become here 11. 11 minus 3 is 8 and here it will be 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, then we cannot subtract 9 from 8, so we have to borrow again from this 8. So it will become 18 and here it will be 7. Then 18 minus 9 is 9 and 7 minus 7 is 0. So difference between the two numbers is 9,489. Now we will read the question number 3. The sum of two numbers is 60,410. If one of is 58,735, find the other number. See, this is the sum of two numbers. One of the number is given here, so we have to take the other number. If you subtract this number from this, so we will get the other number. Okay, are you understand? This is the sum of two numbers. When we will added two numbers, so we got this. One of the number is given here. To find the another number, we have to subtract this amount, this number from this. Then only we will get the other number. Okay, see here. The sum of two number is 60,410. If one number is 58,735, other number is. So here I have to return 60,410 minus 58,735. You know we cannot subtract 5 from 1. So we have to borrow from here. But here is 0. So we have to move next to the number. Here it is 4. Then 4. When we will take 1 from here, it will become 10. See carefully. And from 10 it is borrowed here. So here it will be 11 and 10 minus 1 is 9 and here 4 minus 1 is 3. So 11 minus 5 gives you 6 and 9 minus 3 is 6. See, we cannot subtract 7 from 3. So again we have to borrow the number from here. But here it is 0. So we have to move the next number. From 6 we have borrow 1, so it will become here 10, and from 10 we have to borrow 1 this area, this to this number. So here it is 13, 9 and here it will be 5. Then 13 minus 7 gives you 6, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So The other number is 1666. Now we will read the another question. The question number 4. Ramesh deposited 28,560 in his saving bank account. Later he withdrew. Withdrew means he has taken money from his account. 10,893 from it. Okay. How much money he is there in his account now? See, this much money he has deposited in his bank account, and he is withdrew 10,893. So we have to find how much money is left. For example, suppose your mother has given rupees 10, okay, and you have spent some 6 rupees from it. Okay, how much money is left with you? You have 4 rupees. How you got this 4 rupees? You have subtracted 6 from 10. Then only the 4 has to be came. So like that we have to subtract this number from the total amount saved in the bank. Okay. See the question number 4. Ramesh deposited money 28,560. He withdrew. He withdrew means taken off. Money 10,893. So we have to find the money left. The word left shows us to take the difference left in his account. See here, 28,560 minus 10,893. We cannot subtract 3 from 10, so we have to borrow from the next number. Here it will become 10. 10 minus 3 gives you 7. Okay. Then we cannot subtract 5 minus 9. So again we have to take from here, from the 5. It will here 15 and here will be 4. Then 15 minus 9 is 6. And we cannot subtract 8 from 4. So again we have to borrow from 8. So here it will be 14 and here is 7. 14 minus 8 gives you 6. 7 minus 0 will be 7. And 2 minus 1 will be 1 only. So 17,667 rupees left in his bank account. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 5. See, Raja planted 64,328 trees in a year. Next year the number of plant is increased to 72,468. How many new plants were added in this year? See, in first year he has planted 64,382 trees, okay, and in next year he has planted 72,468. And to find the more trees he has planted, we have to subtract the 64,382 from 72,486. Then only we can able to find the number of more plants. So see here, Raja planted tree in first year is 64,382. Raja planted tree in next year, it is 72,464. The number of more tree he has planted next year than previous year. Okay, so we are subtracting here. You know the subtraction. 8 minus 2 gives you 6. Then we cannot subtract 8 from 6. We have to borrow from this 4. It will be 16 here and here is 3. 16 minus 8 gives you 8 only. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then we cannot subtract again 4 from 2. We have to borrow from here. It will be 12 here and here will be 6. 12 minus 4 is 8 and 6 minus 6 is 0. So 8,086 more tree he has planted in next year than previous year. Okay. See the question number 6. Mr. Sinha earned 3,47,450 in 2 years. Okay. In 1 year he earned 88,673. How much did he earn in the other year? See, this is the total income in 2 years and first year's income is given here. We have to find the other year's income. So definitely this including first year and second year. If we will take this first year's income, the second year income will be remain. So again we have to subtract. You do by your own this question. Only the subtraction we will go to the this. 2 candidates contested an election. 73,457 votes were polled in all. This is a total number of votes which is polled by the people. 49,682 votes were polled in favor of one candidate and 4,974 votes were found invalid. How many votes were polled in favor of other candidate? See, this is the total number of vote. From this many votes get by the one candidate, and these were the invalid. So we have to subtract these two number from this number. Then only we are able to find the number of vote favor in other person. So what we will do, instead of subtracting separately these two number, first we are going to add these two number. Then the sum we are going to subtract from the 73,457. Total number of votes polled is 73,457, and number of votes polled in favor of first candidate is 49,682, and these were invalid. So see here, we have to subtract both the number from this greater number. So 73,457 minus these two we have to add. When we are adding these two number, we will get 54,656. Okay, when we will subtract, we are getting this. If you have any problem, so you subtract in this way. 73,457 minus 54,656. So 7 minus 6 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0. We have to borrow from 3. Here will be 2 and here will be 14. 14 minus 6 gives you 8, and 12 minus 4 gives you 8. Okay, here 6 minus 5 is 1. So 18,801 votes the other candidate got. Okay, so we are going to read the next question. What must be added to 86,359 to make 1 lakh? We want to make 1 lakh. So what will be the amount we have to subtract? So we have to add. Sorry. So just subtract this number from 1 lakh. See here, it is already done. 1 lakh minus 86,359. This you have to do by your own. Come to the next. The sum of two numbers is 7,38,611. If one of the number is 4,84,600, find the other. This is the same like we have did before. So see here, sum of the number is given 7,38,611, and one of the number is given here. So just subtract this number to get the another number. Okay, 1 will become as usual. This one also. 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. We have to borrow from here, and 13 minus 8 gives you 5, and 6 minus 4 gives you 2. So 2,54,011 is other number. Okay.